Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure a web server in Linux. First of all, let's install httpd using the command yum install httpd. So the files are downloading. I'm going to give yes for the installation. And now it's complete. Now I'm going to remove the welcome page. Before that, let's see where the installation folder is. Do you know that most of the configuration files are there in /etc folder? So here you have httpd folder and then conf.d. This is the welcome file. So I'm going to remove the welcome page using the command and the file path /etc httpd /conf.d /welcome.conf. Now you see that the file is not there. So now I'm going to configure the httpd conf file. So now I'm going to edit the httpd.conf file, that means the configuration file of this server. When you check these two files, one is open using the KWrite editor and the other one using the VI editor. You can use any editors you prefer. I think you also will like this KWrite other than the VI editor, because VI editor is the one of the basic editors we have in Linux system, but this KWrite is provided by the GUI, so I hope it will be easy for you to edit with the KWrite. Therefore, I'm also going to use the KWrite editor. Before editing, I'm going to back up the original file. I'm taking a copy of that file, and now I'm going to modify the lines. So here for the server tokens, I'm going to use prod because it will send the web server's name alone on a page request. There are 6 options you can use: major, minor, min, prod, OS and full. I'm going to keep alive on. So here you see the server admin address, you can give the address of the server admin. So I'm assigning it like this. So you can give any server name you prefer. So I'm going to add the directory index.html as well as index.htm. Here I'm setting AllowOverride All. And set the server signature off. So when you do that, it will not display the server version on error pages or any other pages it generates. So I'm commenting this line at default charset. So you can use hash to comment. And now I'm coming back to the terminal and /etc/c.d/init.d/httpd start. I'm using that command to start the service, or else you can use service httpd start as well. Now the service is starting and it's started. So you can configure httpd to start on system boot using chk config httpd on. So here let's go to root/var and www folder where your files should be. In this HTML folder, you can insert whatever the HTML files you are going to save in this web server. So again, I'm using VI editor to create a file, to create an HTML file. I'm creating that file inside that HTML folder. So for this one also, you can use any editor you like. And this time I'm going to use the VI editor and the insert mode. So this is my HTML file, HTML body, and I'm writing test page in the body. So now you can save the file. You can write quit in VI editor, and then you see that your file is created in that location. So now what you have to do is you have to access this file using the browser. So here I'm going to check my localhost. So when I check the localhost, I see the test page which I have created just now. So that's how this web server works. So what you have to do is you have to make changes to the configuration file, and thereafter you can access your web pages using the browser.